dearies. So, an update on the new candles. I got the holiday candles. Sorry, I've been away. I've been sick. And then I had, some issues going on with my mom. But we got the holiday candles. All of the jars are the same color. They're all red. And we're going to dive into what they are, okay? So, we're going to first, we have candy cane candle. And this is what we got going on inside. And I'm using the wood wicks this time. So, there's 2 of each of these candles, okay? Of every candle. Then we have cranberry. Oh, I love the smell of cranberry. And here is the pecan pie candle. I was supposed to make it a while back, along with the pumpkin spice, but I never did get around to it. I had some things going on. Then we got mistletoe here for those who like the piney, Christmassy feel. And we also have apple cider again. I have 2 of those. We have the forest pine candle. If you like the fresh smell of the forest and pines. And then we have winter mint. Well, so that's what we have for our holiday candle line. Some are in the spice too, the pecan pie and the apple cider. So, just check the website. I'm gonna be putting them on my Facebook and Instagram shops. You can find me at MyCapitalMyKaaverse13 on Facebook, and you can go to my shop there. You can also find me on Instagram at KaaVerse13 on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. I don't really mess with TikTok too much anymore, but I'll probably be putting some things on there soon. In the website, you can go to Kaaverse, KaaVerse13.BigCartel.com. And also, my Amazon shop is going to be live here pretty soon. I do have an actual shop. I'm just in the midst of putting what I want in there. And also, you can find me on on Amazon also. And I will get you the link soon. And don't forget, I am able to get stars on my regular profile page. That's the Tanita T. Curry. TANITATEECURRY. I can get stars, and so if you see this and you see the stars link, go ahead and hit your sister up for some stars, okay? Because I sure do need them. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow if you have not already. Have a great day, dearies.